26. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're measuring average, just all the things. And and then we're gonna do 10 at the end to compare. Sorry, I should have said that. We're gonna do 10 at the end to compare. It's gonna keep track of a lot of stats. Infume, oh my god, one of the other coaches. Listen, we're not having the best day, but it's okay. Guys, we're gonna lock in. I'm sorry if you have to watch this in the VOD Infume. I'm sorry, man. Some of these, well, honestly, no. The overworlds, they've been alright. They've been alright. They've been alright. I don't think the overworlds have been the issue today. Anyways, welcome, guys. Thank you for the raids. Thank you for the raid, Infume. Hope you had a good stream. This spike was so good. I should do another scan. Yeah. No, it's down. It's over that way, man. It's over that way. Oh, come on. Come on, motherfucker. You know you want to give me the portal room. I dare you. I dare you. Yeah, we're doing 10 runs tonight, guys. Gonna measure all the stats, get all the info, see where we're at right now. Then, I'm gonna do boot camp. Every day, a different streamer is gonna teach me a different skill. Then, I'm gonna do 10 more runs and see how much we improve. Am I stupid? Okay, like, there's just nowhere to go. I feel like I'm running in circles. I feel like it should just be over here. Lap 3, baby. Hamburg's good.